Good morning, students. I hope you are well. As we have discussed our input device, keyboard, mouse, today we will discuss our third input device, scanner. Okay, we will discuss detail. So, what is a scanner? A scanner copy the text and image from the paper onto the computer. What is the working of scanner? It scans the text and image. Okay, so there are the various types of scanner. They are: first is flatted scanner, sheet fed scanner, drum scanner, handheld scanner, and slide scanner. Okay, so you can see scanner scan the all the text and image, then copy and then complete our. So we can understand a scanner scan the document. The Ray Kurzweil invented the first flatted scanner. Yeah, the flatted scanner. These flatted scanner invented by the Ray Kurzweil. Okay, he is the person who developed this scanner first. Okay, he also invented the print to speech machine for the blind. He also invented the for blind, जो disabled person who cannot see. Okay, blind person, print to speech. If we speech, the printer will work and do our the work. Okay, so these all the types of scanner. The scanner is also input device. Okay. Our next is microphone. Okay, what is microphone? A microphone is used to input the sound into a computer. Microphone help us to input the sound. If we want to input the some letters, we need keyboard. Okay, if we input some sound, we need microphone. Okay, so microphone, it helps the recording your voice or other sound. Microphone helps to record our voice or other sound. जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे देखा, स्कैनर क्या करता है, हमारा इमेज और टेक्स्ट को कॉपी करता है। और ठीक है, ये बहुत तरह की होती है: फ्लैटेड स्कैनर, शीट फेड स्कैनर, ड्रम स्कैनर और हैंडल स्कैनर, स्लाइड स्कैनर। उसी तरह यहाँ पे हमारा जो माइक्रोफोन है, इनका काम क्या है, ये साउंड को इनपुट करती है। जैसे हम लोग साउंड हमारे वॉइस से निकलती है, माउथ से निकलती है, तो वो क्या करती है, उसे रिकॉर्ड करती है। ठीक है, so our next point is trackball. What is trackball? Trackball can be used in the place of mouse. Okay, it is the input device. Okay, so trackball is a input device. It can use in the place of mouse. It is similar to a mouse. ये क्या होता है, mouse के जैसा ही दिखता है. This you can see. This is our trackball. Okay, it has a ball on its top which is rolled by fingers to move the cursor around the screen. Okay, you can see here it has a ball which helps to move here and there, to roll and scroll our pages in the computer. Okay, a trackball requires less space than the mouse. What is the benefit of this trackball? It is require less space than the mouse for the operation, because whole device is not moved for moving cursor. Okay, we cannot move all the device, only we can move this, and then we can use our work. We don't need to move just like a mouse here and there. Okay, only we can track ball, we can move this ball. Okay, if we move this ball, all the cursor will move here and there. Okay, next is joystick. What is joystick? A joystick used to move object or pointer on the screen. Okay, joystick are probably used for playing video games. If you want to play some games, what we need joystick. हम लोग अब जब गेम खेलते हैं तो क्या होता है, इसका ज़्यादातर उपयोग क्या करते हैं, जॉयस्टिक को गेम खेलने के लिए यूज करते हैं। ठीक है, रेसिंग कार गेम खेलने के लिए, कोई दूसरा गेम खेलने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं, हम लोग जॉयस्टिक का यूज़ करते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।